The first step is to insert the right needle into both stitches as if you're going to knit the two of them together. Wrap the yarn around like normal and bring the loop forward. Now before these two stitches come off the needle, you take the right needle and you split the difference, go into the right hand stitch, and we're going to knit that stitch too. So now we have two dark gray stitches and the two pink stitches come right off the needle. Let me show you how to do that again. In this hat, the pattern is one right twist, one purl. So I've just purled and now we're going to right twist through both stitches, through the second stitch, and forward. And now I'm just going to show you how to do 3 more, and then we're going to switch colors. So I'm going through both pink stitches, splitting the difference, and then purl, a couple more, and you'll see it's almost time to switch back to pink, and I'll show you exactly how we do that. Okay, so now I've finished the end of the round. I'm going to pull the pink snug, not tight, and then bring it to the front and start working with the pink. So it's purl, and then pink you just knit plain, knit, knit, purl, knit, and knit. And that's it.